Yeah, hi there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Adil, and today I'm going to teach you how to write your very first Python application. So, in order to write your first Python application, open a terminal window and make sure you have Python installed on your machine. In my case, is 3.10.6. So Python is installed. We are ready to go. And first thing, let's navigate to a directory. You want to store your first Python file. In my case, I'm now in this code directory, and I'm going to create a subdirectory called my first Python app. So type make there and my first Python app -l. The directory is created, and let's move inside this directory. Okay, once in my first Python app directory, let's create the main.py file and open it in Nano. Nano is a handy editor that I like to use. Nano main.py, and we want to print hello world. So in order to print hello world, let's type print parentheses hello world, and then exit Control X and Epsilon, and we are ready to go. To run the script, type Python 3 main PI, and then you see the output. We can see the output hello world here. Now let's add some more functionality. What we're gonna do, instead of printing hello world, we're gonna print a name. So let's define a variable that we call name. It's equal to input. Then we ask what's your name, and instead of printing hello world, we're gonna print hello and then your name. And then let's run the script again. What's your name? My name is Adil. So hello Adil. Yeah. So that was it. Very simple. The first hello word and a simple input entry. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like it, thumb up and subscribe. There will be a lot of educational videos on Python, Node.js, React, and Google Cloud, GCP. Yeah,